All right, today I'm going to show you an activity that involves visual scanning, which is your eyes scanning in a smooth manner, and also visual perceptual skills. It's called Connect 4. So first you have to make the grid. So you want to make a small little dot and you want to make them evenly spaced out as possible. So that's going to be my first row. And then underneath it, I have to line everything up. And then for this one, I have to scan across and scan from up top until I have the whole board filled up. So I'm just showing you how to start it. And then I have a board that's already completed. So what I suggest for this is you can either use a dry erase board, you can use an easel, you can use a flat surface with paper and pencil on a table surface, or you can tape something to like a slider door, which when you have to work upright, it works a lot more on the shoulder muscles. So that's one of the reasons we like to do that. So for this, what I suggest is you use 2 different colors, okay? The goal is to connect 4 lines to make a square, all right? So initially it starts off that very slowly. So the first person would connect 1 dot evenly, and you can go in any direction. There's no right or wrong way, all right? And I just like to use different colors so you can kind of see who's done what. As the board starts to fill up, what you have to say to yourself is, we know 4 sides equal a square. So if I already have 3, if I'm making the 3rd line, I know the next person's going to come and get that square. So I have to have that picture in my head, how many sides are completed. So I'm going to give you another example. If I'm over here, there's already 2 sides completed to this square. So if I know I don't want to go here because I'm going to make the 3rd line, which means the next person's going to come and complete that line. All right, so you're going to do this until you have the entire board filled up. What's going to happen is, as you move along, you're not going to have as many choices because you're just going to be running out of options. So I know, for example, right here, I don't want to complete this line because there's already 1, 2. If I was to complete this line, the next person's going to come and get that square. And every time you get your own square, I forgot to mention, you put your initials in there. All right, so you neatly write your initials and you're working on that writing component also. All right, so that's a great one to do to work on writing skills, visual perceptual skills, and tracking skills. And also it's great movement break, okay?